Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have an unboxing video here. I've had quite a few other watches to unbox as well, but I'm really excited about this one. Just got it in, and I want to get it out of the box. So let's get this thing open. So this is, I've always wanted a Rolex Datejust. Just haven't worked myself up to pulling the trigger on one yet, spending that amount of money on a single watch. So kind of working my way up to it. I have some other watches that kind of look like it. I have a Mito Commander, which I need to do an update video on that. Had a little issue with that watch. If you're on my Instagram, if you follow my Instagram, you'll see what happened with that. But I'll have to upload a video on that soon. Let me open this up over here. So it's a box within a box. So this is the next step in the progression towards a Rolex Datejust. Got some shipping peanuts here. I guess I would call this a vintage watch. It's from the early 90s. I'm not sure if that's vintage. Well, maybe. I guess it's almost 30 years old. So, as you can see through the bubble wrap, it looks like a Datejust. This is a aftermarket strap. I'm looking for a bracelet for this. Let's see if you guys know of any aftermarket Jubilee style bracelets that would work for this. Leave it in the comment below, let me know. So I bought this used, and the guy I bought this from Crown and Caliber, so it came with the pouch that it came with from Crown and Caliber. I guess Crown and Caliber just got bought out or has merged with Hodinkee. So anyway, yes, definitely will give me the Rolex Datejust feel. It's a little bit smaller of a watch. It's supposed to be 36. I've seen some other reviews that call it a 35. So it's somewhere in that ballpark. And I'll compare this to my Mito Commander as well. They're very similar looking. I have the gold fluted bezel. However, my Mito does not have this crown. So yeah, I've been kind of looking for one of these for a while now. Tudor with the Rolex crown. So this is my first watch with a Rolex crown and also Rolex caseback. I know it's not a Rolex, but it's close to a Rolex. So I'm really looking forward to getting this on a bracelet. So hopefully I can find a bracelet for this. Let's see. You can probably right there, Rolex Geneva. So this is the Tudor. Oh geez, I think it's the 943. Maybe it's the 96314. I forgot exactly what the model is on this. Let me see if it says on here. This is the Oyster Prince. Tudor Day-Date Oyster Prince 94613. So 94613. I'll put that in the comment. In the description. So yeah, very cool. I'm very excited about this watch. Like I said, I've always wanted a Rolex Datejust, and this is more like the Rolex Day-Date. But I think this one is called it's still called the Day-Date. But I've heard other people call it a Date Day. so as not to get it confused with the Rolex. So anyway, also I like this because it has the linen dial. Not sure if you can see that. I guess linen dials were pretty popular back, I'll say back in the day. I have not seen that many recently. So I'm not totally a fan of gold on silver, the two-tone, but it's growing on me. I actually like it now. My Amido Commander is also two-tone. So anyway, if you were to get the Rolex with the day and the date, I don't know how much they are, and I think they're all precious metal as well. So this one, this watch here has a little bit of loving going on here. I don't know if it's been polished or anything like that. I'll have to study it more. But yeah, I'm really excited to have this thing. So let me get this on wrist, and we'll close out the video. Let me know what you think of this. I think eventually, one day, I will get a Datejust. I was looking at there's a certain model I was looking at, the first Datejust with the sapphire. I've been looking at getting. I think that's the 16234. I think it's what that model number is. I was looking earlier in the year, and it seems like every time I look, the price keeps going up another $100 or so, or maybe even thousands. Yeah, this thing's very cool. I think they still make a version of this now. It's in current production, but it's over in the Asian market. And of course, the crown has the Tudor symbol on it now, and it has a sapphire crystal. This one here has an acrylic crystal, which I'm fine with. So let me zoom out here, and we'll close out the video. Sorry, a little bit longer of an unboxing. Just wanted to get this thing open and start enjoying it. Let me know what you think of the size of it. I have a 6.5-inch wrist. It's supposed to be a 36mm case. I'm not sure what the lug-to-lug is on it. I would say probably, actually, I think it's 44 actually. But we'll get into full specs in the full review, which will be coming out soon. I have a lot of videos to get to. So, yeah, as always, thank you for watching, and catch you on the next video.